The Lexar laptop memory, 8 GB DDR4 intact box. You see the bus speed of this RAM is 3200. Here's the closer look of the memory inside the box. This is laptop RAM. Now we are going to open it. First of all, very carefully open the box. And open it. They pack it very nicely. There is a instructor manual and there is a plastic cover. So let's open this cover. And here is the RAM, black in color, 8 GB DDR4 3200 megahertz laptop memory. Closer look of the Lexar DDR4 8 GB laptop memory for gaming laptop actually. Here is it. Lexar 8 GB memory for laptop. So now I am going to show you how to install 8 GB Lexar memory on my laptop. I have already opened my laptop. This is Acer brand. Here you see one memory is installed and there is another blank for installing another memory over there. I will going to show you how to install the memory on that blank slot. So it's very easy, not so difficult. Just take the RAM and place it on the blank very carefully. Very carefully place it on the slot. Again, you see, I place it very carefully over there, and I need to press the RAM gently down to lock it with the locker. So gently press, very gently press here, apply some little force, and it's locked. Once it locked, means that the installation process completed. In my laptop, I just installed one 8 GB memory and another 8 GB memory was installed by the factory. So total RAM is 16 GB. Now I'm going to show you whether the BIOS detect the newly installed memory successfully. So I need to turn on my computer and press F2 for entering the BIOS. So after entering the BIOS, you see that total RAM information are there. So total memory is 16 GB, and here memory 1 is 8192 megabyte. The frequency is there and the voltage information is there. And in memory 2, Samsung DDR4 Size is 800 8122 megabyte. Total size is 16 GB. The bus speed of memory 2 is also shown. So 2933 megahertz, and the voltage information is also there. And in memory 1, the Lexar doesn't shows the name of that memory, but it shows the model 8A75 DDR4, the size, and the bus speed. So total memory is 16 GB. So the BIOS detect the memory successfully. Now just close the BIOS without saving anything and open the Windows and see whether the Windows detect the memory successfully. So it's a Predator laptop from Acer. So after opening the Windows, just check the information of the RAM from my computer, and see that the total memory is 16 GB. Already installed memory or RAM is 16 GB. The operating system information, processor information, the model of my laptop, and the brand name are there.